Welcome to Burlap Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make fish jewelry. Begin by choosing sustainably sourced fish parts or ethical charms and lay them out by size. Clean and dry each piece thoroughly before handling. Use fine wire and small pliers to wrap elements securely and add resin sparingly to seal fragile areas. Test weight and comfort on a model or mannequin ear and adjust design until it feels right. Gather your materials and set up a tidy workspace with good lighting. Organize resin, wires, pliers, jump rings, and a fine drill bit in reachable trays. Wear gloves and a mask when mixing resin and use silicone molds for consistent shapes. Measure wire lengths before cutting to reduce waste and keep a small file to smooth sharp edges. Working methodically speeds the process and preserves delicate fish parts. Start assembling by planning the order of layers so heavier pieces sit lower for balance. Wrap wire ends neatly and tuck them inward to avoid snagging fabric or skin. When using resin, apply in thin layers and cure fully between coats to prevent bubbles. Attach findings like ear hooks or clasps last and test each piece for durability by gently tugging. A careful finish makes handmade fish jewelry safe and wearable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.